guys, it's me, Firefly Parker, and I have a special guest with me today. It's my dog Jonas. Wave to the audience. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to be doing a Blues Buffalo commercial with some assistance from my dog of Jonas, of course. So, Jonas, would you like to assist me? Yeah, he would like to assist me. So, yeah, so here we go. They say, I love my dog. I've been giving my dog food like, Benefol and Royal Canine, but none of those seemed to have worked. So, I decided that since he's family, I'm gonna feed him like family. I'm gonna feed him healthy foods, just like I feed myself healthy foods. Jonas's family, so I feed him blue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wave goodbye. Bye!